Hey beautiful people, Raja is here again. In this video, I'm going to show you that how to get the free add-ons widgets into the Elementor. So let me take you on my screen and show you step by step. And this is going to be very short and quick video. And yeah, do not forget to subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.
Hey guys, so we are here inside the Elementor where we can build a website with Elementor. But here we can use all these uh, the basic widgets that comes up with the free Elementor. And then suppose if I want to add the pro features over here, like I want to add a animated heading, it says upgrade right now. And yeah, the simple heading we can add over here like this one. And yeah, but I want to show you that how we can add the all these widgets we can use in the website with one plugin. And for that, what you have to do, just go inside the Google and write down over here pro elements, right? Then click over here, and then the top on you're going to see this website pro elements, and this is the bug free plugin. And you can see this is the free WordPress plugin that adds professional features to Elementor page builder. So it's going to add the pro elements inside the simple Elementor, and then you just need to do just by clicking over there download, and this plugin will be downloaded on top. And then you can read more about this one, what is included inside this plugin. Pro Element is a free community maintained project focused on adding professional feature usually found in premium plugins and add-ons. And you can see that it has included everything: automatic updates, additional professional widgets, theme parts with display condition. It means you can also create the header and footer as well, and dynamic content as well. So we have downloaded already. So now we're going to go back again here on WordPress dashboard. I have to go, so I will go to my WordPress dashboard because we have to install a plugin. So I am here on WordPress dashboard, and on left side you can see we have the different options, and under the appearance here is appearance, and here we can see the plugins. So we can click on add a new plugin. Here you can see add a plugin or install plugin. We can see if I'm going to click over here, make sure you have already installed Elementor, and then we can click on add a new plugin, or we can add over here by clicking add a new plugin. And here we're going to see some options. We can search here, but we want to upload a plugin because we have downloaded the one. So I will click on here on the top, upload plugin, and then it says choose a file. So you need to choose the file. So I have recently downloaded that one, so I will take and drop over here. And yeah, now you can see the file is uploaded over here, and then I'm going to click on install now, right? So now it is going to take some time to be installed, this new plugin. The name of this plugin is Pro Elements, and this is very useful, by the way. And it's going to take some time while it's getting be installed. And yeah, we can wait for the few seconds. And now you're going to see it says click on to activate the plugin. So we need to click on over here, activate the plugin, and yep, then again we have to wait for the few seconds. Once it's done, okay, perfect. Now you can see that we have the pro elements. This one is activated, right? So I will go back to my WordPress dashboard. I will by the way, I am here on WordPress dash, and I will go to the inside the page builder where we build a website or design the page with Elementor. And now let me do publish it, and I'm going to refresh it. And now in next time, whenever you're going to do the edit, or you want to add a new page, you can use the more features, and I'm going to show you right now. Here now you can see the Pro, and inside the Pro all the widgets are now usable. So these are very this plugin is very useful, by the way. So now if I'm going to tag this animated heading line, so I can put over here, and you can see that, and I can click onto here. I'm going to say Pro elements, and I'm going to say free plugin, like this, right? And yeah, now what we can do, go to the style. You can do so many things right now, right? Because underline we can say, and we can change always the color. So maybe I'm going to make it the black, this one, like this, and maybe the highlighted color, animated color, I want to do the blue, something like that. And yeah, it looks good. You can always play around with all these features. So we can delete this normal one. So so let me to go to history, let me to bring that back, let me to delete on the top only one. So this is how it looks, free. And then yeah, you can always play around with this one. So I just want to show you, right? And publish. And another thing I want to show you, if you're going to click on add icon, and now you can see we have all these features we can use. We can add a navigation menu as well, anywhere wherever we want. And then we can use there are so many options you can use. If I right now the form, and now we don't need another plugin to add the form inside the website. And now we can use the form as well, right? So that's it. So just click on publish, and then I want to show you, if I go back to my WordPress dashboard, and yep, maybe by clicking on the home page over here, but I want to show you something that it is working totally fine. If I click on home, now you can see that we have the this sort of feature. Then we can add the form, and you can do so many things. Now if I'm going to go back again to the dashboard, and I want to show you again, it is working with all the new pages you can add. Or if you have the existing WordPress website and you want to enhance with the Pro features, then you can add this plugin. So suppose I'm going to click on add a new page on this website, and I want to show you again to make sure it is working quite fine. So let me add this. Maybe we're going to say contact us, and then I'm going to click on edit with Elementor, right? And now it's going to take some time. So yep, I just want to make sure that it is working, right? So whenever you're going to install it, you are not facing any problems. So right now inside we are another page, and then maybe we want to use there are so many stuff here. You can see that, like we can use the price table over here, right? And we can add the inside the Pro features. We can use like a PayPal button over here. We can add directly, right? And then here we go, and then you can collect the payments. And now you can see all the Pro features are working quite fine. And yeah, I hope so this video is going to be useful for you. And then I think that's it. I'm going to click on the publish and click on to have a look, so you can see how it looks like. I think that's it for now. Yeah, it's working quite fine, and I hope so this video is going to be very useful for you. And if you are totally new here on my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe so whenever I'm going to upload a new videos, you're going to get the updates. And if you want to hire me for the website, you can go to rajasain.com over here, and then you can also hire us. So we can help you to building high converting websites, landing pages. You need to just click on over here, book a free discovery call, and you can book a free discovery call with us. You can see what kind of the subjects we provide, and you click on see our projects we have done recently, and you can see the client's feedback as well. And we have here other information as well. By clicking on the LinkedIn account, you can be connected with me here on the LinkedIn. So if you have any query or any question, just feel free to reach out. And bye bye for now. Thank you. Take care.